Calby, I remember BR Board introduced some common lift problems to us last time. Last night when I was watching TV drama, I heard something called Lift Modernization Subsidy Scheme, LIMSS. It mentioned something like the 7 solutions for enhancing existing lifts. Have you heard of it?
What? I don't know. But BR Bot has mentioned that Hong Kong is a city with a high density of tall buildings, and lifts are an important vertical transportation system. Why don't we go and check with BR Bot?
Good to see you here, BR Bot.
Are you looking for me? I am going up to help Worry Chan.
We want to ask you about the 7 lift enhancing solutions for existing lifts.
I see. Then why don't you take the lift with me again, such that you can learn more about with these VR glasses?
Yeah, then I can play with the VR glasses again.
In fact, the Electrical and Mechanical Services Department has published guidelines for modernizing existing lifts to recommend responsible persons for addition of safety equipment to older lifts. This is to make their existing lifts more safe, effective, reliable, and comfortable lift operation. The guidelines have suggested 7 lift enhancing solutions for improving older lifts.
I still don't get it after listening to you. Shall we wear our VR glasses to visualize the situation?
The first solution is the installation of double brake system. Look, older lifts may fit it only with 1 brake, and so the failure of parts could cause a lift car to stop ineffectively.
That's terrible! So double brake system means there's 1 more set of brake?
That's right, Mrs. Kwan. You're smart. With redundant braking system, even if 1 set of parts fails, there's still another set of parts to ensure the safe operation of lift, as well as the safety of passengers. The second solution is the installation of an intended car movement protection device. Imagine when the lift doors open and we are entering or exiting the lift car. If there is an unintended car movement, we may easily be injured. Therefore, this solution ensures that in case of unintended car movement, the installations such as rope gripper can stop the lift car.
I have seen news about the sudden overspeeding of an ascending lift. How do we lower the risk of ascending lifts overspeeding and accidentally hitting the top of the lift well?
We can rely on the third solution of installation of an ascending car overspeed protection device. The protection device automatically detects and stops any overspeed movement of the ascending lift car, so as to protect passengers from injuries. The fourth solution is the installation of car door mechanical lock and door safety edge.
Lock and edge? What do you mean?
Older lifts may not be equipped with car door mechanical locks. It is possible for passengers inside the lift car to forcibly open the lift doors. If some naughty children pull them open, it would be very dangerous. Besides, the benefit of door safety edge is that if it detects passengers entering or exiting the lift car, the doors will automatically reopen. Attention! The 4 above-mentioned solutions are given priority by EMSD. They are also the essential safety devices required by URA's LIMSS. The following 3 solutions can be considered depending on the actual situation. 5th, installation of intercom and closed-circuit television system.
I know this. I learned it from TV. If we are unluckily trapped in the lift, we should press the alarm bell and use the intercom system to seek help from the management office.
Right, just like our lift. The system comprises a camera in the lift car, an emergency alarm push button with buzzer and an intercom system. all connected to the building management office. The management office staff can monitor the CCTV video captured round the clock and take speedy action during emergency. 6th, installation of obstruction switch to protect suspension ropes.
What's that?
Excessive wear and tear of suspension ropes is a major cause of rope breakages. If the movement of the lift car or counterweight is obstructed while the motor is still in operation, the suspension ropes and sheaths will be seriously damaged. So, installing obstruction switch can prevent the excessive wear and tear of suspension ropes and sheaths during breakdown.
How about the last solution?
The 7th solution is the installation of automatic rescue devices.
I know this one. My son told me that in case of power failure, modern automatic rescue devices may maintain the lift in a momentary operation so as to prevent passengers from being trapped.
Mrs. Kwan is really smart. When normal power supply fails or the voltage dips, the device will detect the voltage dip and use backup battery to power the lift so that it can move to the nearest landing floor and allow the safe exit of passengers. The lift will then remain out of service until normal power supplies is resumed.
We are all smart and quick on the uptick.
Don't be complacent, Calby. It is better to consult the current lift maintenance contractor to learn more about the condition of the lifts in your building. Then you can be relieved.
By the way, BR Board, you mentioned URA has a subsidy scheme. Can they subsidize the modernization for our lifts?
For more details about LIMSS, you can visit URA's website or watch the upcoming video clips. Bear in mind, the first 4 solutions are essential safety devices and must be included in the application for the subsidy scheme. The remaining 3 are optional.
Got it.